Hi there. My problem is Meshcentral seems to be completely ignoring the config.json file. Let me give you an example. I have this gibberish. If I do let you look at permissions for that same file, actually for the whole directory, you can see everything is set to the user mesh_central, which is the intended user. We can see that right now nothing is running in the background that has to do with Meshcentral. So we're going to start it from scratch. If we look at my Nginx file, which is desktops.sm virtual, we have 443 proxy passing to 444. So that should bring up the domain all right, and presumably use the settings that are in the config.json environment. I do want to reflect that I have directed auth-log, syslog, every other login known to man to that site's error log file. Okay, and over here I am tailing the var log site's error log so we can see if anything new shows up. And in this tab we are going to paste the command that runs Meshcentral followed by debug web requests, which I think should give us what we need. Pull that out of there. Okay, fire in the hole. Now, it's obviously ignoring the config.json file right away because those aren't the ports I had in there. I had total gibberish, so I would expect an error message there. But it's obviously pulling that from somewhere else, and at this point I have no errors. I'll then pull up Meshcentral, throw in some gibberish there, log in, login failed, bad username and password. So it's working. The virtual host for Nginx is getting there, no problem, and we have nothing in the log file. So I have no reason to believe that this config.json file is being paid attention to in the least of ways. I was wondering if you could tell me why, because I've tried to configure LDAP. I can't get it to recognize the config.json file. I've also tried to get it to use custom ports instead of 444 and 81. I picked some new numbers that I wanted to use. I noticed it was getting ignored at that point, so that's what caused me to go down this road and create this video and see if this will help somebody that knows help me know. Thank you. Appreciate your effort. Bye-bye.